We are now joined by two of the newcomers to the Texas program, Gigi Mazzianite and Selena Rodrigo. Neither of you are from the great state of Texas, but you got here quickly. Selena from Georgia and Gigi all the way from Lithuania. What has it been like being here in Austin and being so far away from home for both of you?
Well, Texas is really hot.
Yeah.
Way different than Lithuania, but I enjoy being here.
How about you, Selena?
I enjoy it a lot, even though sometimes I do miss my family, but everybody here makes me feel like a family, so it's really nice here.
So what can you do? I mean, because Georgia, Lithuania, I know there's a little difference there as far as the distance, but both of them, it would seem like far enough away from the state of Texas where it's not like you can have family here on a regular basis. So what do you do to try to keep communication with them and just try to feel somewhat at home when you're so far away?
Well, I talk to my mom pretty much every other day or so, and then my brother, he just got an iPhone 5, so he's trying to FaceTime me like every day, and then I talk to my dad also, so it keeps me grounded. So.
How about you, Gigi?
Well, I talk on Skype a lot with my family, and I have my teammates, so they're like my family here, so.
Now, when you first arrived here, did people try to guess where you're from?
Yeah, and actually, they would ask me where I'm from. It's like Lithuania, and they would go, "Oh yeah, that's right." But I'm pretty sure they have no idea where is that. So. Have
you quizzed them on Lithuania? Some
No.
Lithuanian trivia or anything like that?
I just let it go. It's just like, I'm from Lithuania. That's it. I'm like, okay.
Selena, what do you know about Lithuania?
Well, you know, in the summertime, I saw them in the Olympics, and Gigi was pretty happy about that. So we were watching it in study hall a little bit, you know, trying to catch up on the Lithuanian team. It was pretty fun.
And Gigi, what do you know about Georgia, the state of Georgia?
The state of Georgia. I know where it's at on the map, right? It's between South Carolina and Alabama.
That's close
Florida.
enough for me.
Florida.
That's close enough for me.
Yeah.
Is that correct?
Yes. You know where we're at.
Yeah, it's in the right area, essentially. So now you're here at Texas playing for Coach Aston. What have you learned so far from your time here about Coach Aston and what it means to be part of this Texas program?
Well, I'm really happy I have a chance to play for Coach Aston. And she's really disciplined. She's really intense and passionate about basketball. That's what I like about her.
How does it compare being coached by Coach Aston to being coached by your mother in Lithuania?
Well, they both are really strict, and they require a lot. And it's just different because, like, you know, your mom is your mom, so sometimes you can say step back. And here, it's not like, you know, oh, it's just my mom. I mean, you have to be...
So you don't say stuff back?
No. No. Well, when I was with my mom, I kind of had an attitude a little bit.
Yeah?
Yeah, a little bit. But he...
Like, what would you do? This is getting interesting now. What kind of attitude would you have?
Oh, yeah. As I said, I would say something back. And, like, my mom, she would call me a big head or something like that. And well, I was just trying to work hard, but it's not easy when you... Like, your mom is your coach 24/7, you know?
Yeah.
Even at home, she's my coach. So it's pretty tough.
Now, for you, Selena, there's another freshman point guard on campus, Javon Felix, for Coach Barnes.
Yes.
Do you guys talk at all about what it's like to be a freshman point guard for a coach that's pretty tough and can be pretty demanding of a freshman point guard?
Not really, but we did have a class last semester. We had math class together. So I've got to know him, but we never really talk about, like, you know, going against our coaches and everything. But he's told me some stories about how their coach, like, yells at them and makes them run all the time and stuff like that. So it's pretty interesting. We always say our coach is worse, but...
Well, they're just trying to get the most and get the best out of you.
Yeah.
They're just being coaches. That's what they do. For you, you had a chance to go back to Fort Worth in the Metroplex, Dallas, Fort Worth, that area, and it was, in some essence, a homecoming because you played junior college basketball around there. What was it like to go to a game and just have some people that you've known for more than, you know, half a year at a game?
Well, they're like my family right now because it is really hard to see my teammates. Like, after the games, they go see their families, and I just go right back to my room, you know, so it's not easy. And in Fort Worth, I just felt like, you know what, I'm kind of at home, so it was a pretty good feeling.
You're making me depressed. I mean, It's like you don't have the people that are your family to be there and watch you play. It must be tough kind of being far away from home.
It is, but I'm kind of used to it. I mean, it's just like life is not easy, I guess. So.
Now, what made the decision, though, for you to leave Lithuania, to come to the United States, to start playing junior college basketball and start a career overseas? How did that become reality?
Well, you know, I'm young, so I just wanted to try something different. So while I'm young, why not?
How about you? Why was it the University of Texas? You originally committed to Wake Forest, and then you decided to come here to Austin.
Yeah, well, first it was because Coach Aston, she gave me a call, and she let me know she was here, and I just wanted to come out and visit, and I just fell in love after that, so I'm here.
Now, you've been working a lot on your shot. For as good as you've been distributing the basketball, just need to see the shot fall. Recently, had a good outing against Iowa State, 10 points, and the ball was going into the hoop. What does that say about the development and the work that you've been putting into that aspect of the game?
It shows that it's starting to pay off. I've been working with Coach Mays a lot, me and Empress, so we've been getting some extra shots up, and it just gives me a little bit more confidence playing out there on the floor and taking some shots that my team needs me to take. So.
Now, Gigi, we know you can put it down. There's an open look at the hoop, you're going to hit it. What is it like when Amani and Nneka are generating so much attention when they are on and you've got those looks? Do they look a little easier, a little more wide open when the two bigs are on their game?
Yeah. Yeah, it's like different because Imani or Nneka, they're occupying their defender, so like my defender has to go and help, so it's a little bit easier.